Hello everyone, welcome back to InstallerGuru, your go-to channel for all things tech. I'm Sudeep, and today we're diving into an essential topic, Docker. You've seen my videos on Docker-based applications like UptimeKuma for monitoring system and server uptime. But what exactly is Docker? Let's break it down. To understand Docker, we first need to talk about virtualization. Traditionally, we used virtual machines, VMs. Each VM runs a full OS and consumes a lot of resources. They're heavy and can be slow to start. Enter Docker containers. They share the host OS, making them lightweight and fast. Think of Docker containers like shipping containers on a cargo ship. Each container holds different goods, but they are all isolated from each other. Similarly, Docker containers hold different applications, keeping them isolated and ensuring they run consistently across various environments. Now, you can host multiple containers on top of one single VM. Here are some key benefits of Docker. 1. Efficiency. Containers use fewer resources than traditional VMs. 2. Speed. Containers start almost instantly. 3. Consistency. Applications run the same, regardless of where they are deployed. 4. Isolation. Each container runs in its own environment, enhancing security and reducing conflicts. Now, let's see Docker in action with an example from one of my videos. In my video on UptimeKuma, I demonstrate how to install this monitoring tool using Docker. Here's a quick recap. Open your terminal. Pull and run the UptimeKuma Docker image. Docker run D restart always P 3001 V UptimeKuma app data name UptimeKuma Louis Lam UptimeKuma 1, and that's it. You have UptimeKuma running in a Docker container. And there you have it. That's a basic introduction to Docker. We've covered what Docker is, how it works, and why it's beneficial. For more detailed tutorials, check out my other videos on Docker-based applications like UptimeKuma, Rustdesk, Sterling PDF, and Portainer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InstallerGuru for more tech tutorials. Until next time, keep learning and stay connected.